Well, we've got a nail in our tyre, so I thought I'd try and fix it myself. I picked up this cheap tyre plug kit for around $6, so let's see if it'll work. I'm going to let the air out of the tyre before I start doing anything else. The instructions on the back say, first remove any puncturing objects. Next, insert rasp tool into hole and slide up and down to roughen and clean inside the hole. So I rasped out the hole a couple of times, and now I'm going to move on to the next step. Remove the plug from the protective packing and insert into the needle. Just a note, these plugs are very sticky. I've managed to put one of the plugs into the needle. Next, the instructions say, insert with plug centered in the eye of the needle into the puncture until plug is pushed approximately 2/3 of the way in. Pull the needle straight out with a rapid motion. Do not twist needle while pulling out. I'm going to put some air in the tire because that doesn't seem to be working. So well, that looks like 2/3 of the way in for me, so I'm just going to pull the needle straight out. Cut off excess plug material flush with the tyre tread. Reinflate the tyre to recommended pressure and test for air leaks by applying a few drops of soapy water to plugged area. All done. Thanks for watching.